Okay, so my name is Sata.
Oh, I'm Trinity.
I'm Joanna Grullo.
Gerard.
Gerard L.
And we're here. We're Waterworks. Our group has been working on a very exciting project this past month and this summer. And basically, our project is so that when you hit the keys, there's water in it. When you hit the keys, the piano lights up. And why this is important is because not only is music a universal language, but its contribution to our community has a major impact. It's important for your younger generation because music is a big part of growing up and like finding out who you want to be.
The proof of concept was we had to come up with like a mini prototype of what our project was going to be. So our proof of concept was originally to use IR brake beam sensors to trigger the light to turn on and trigger the piano sound. But and then when we went to the design panel and they suggested that we try incorporating water into the actual project.
Some improvement we need is to eliminate the Mickey and use musical storage in the Arduino. Next, adding a water fountain.
Right now. Can you be professional? Next!
Alright.
Add more details to the device. And lastly, organize our wires. Technology. We use physical programming, which was the Arduino. Digital fabrication, which was the laser cutters. And how you say that? Electronics.
Messy with a capital M.
Some obstacles was finding the right code, finding the right website, avoiding mistakes with soldering,
Giovanna, key point.
and troubleshooting the problems. The signal problems.
With the photo board.
Signal.
Some of the things that we used were the SparkFun Red board, which is kind of like it kind of acts as like the brain to the whole operations. It receives signals, and then it receives outputs from the Makey, and it turns them into inputs to send them to the LED light strip telling it what to do. Another thing we also used was the proto board, which basically takes signals from the Makey and sends them over to the SparkFun Red board, while also Jesus Christ, while also keeping the current under control, allowing the LED light strip to actually work. And another thing we also used was a Makey, which is basically a sensor. All it did was like taking inputs or detected inputs when people touch the water and complete the circuit, and send it over to the proto board, and the proto board would just send it to the red board.
Last but not least, the whole thing to get it to light up was the NeoPixel LED strip. When the key is pressed, only 5 lights will light up of the whole strip, and then the rest of them will stay off. And it allows it to light up. Boom.
Talk about the pictures.
I did 3.
Usually they could just see the pictures.
These are some kids from the park we kidnapped. We took them and we made them play.
This is my son.
And as you can see, they were really excited to play with it. We didn't force them.
They had lots of fun.
They did. They could have been playing with the park, but they played with our device. Look at that face.
The end. Here, you got the bracelet,
Okay.
which allows you to be connected to ground. So when I clip it on, the sound will play and the light will light up. That's not supposed to happen. But, you know.
Wait, so can you explain to me why touching the water will cause it to make a sound?
Well, because this strip of copper tape is what are you doing?
The strip of copper tape is connected to
Conductive, that's the word I was thinking of. Alright, I forgot the word.
conductive, and it's connected to the.
And the
It's
alligator.
connected to the Arduino. It's connected to the Arduino as an output from the Makey, which is it's from an input. It goes from an input from the breadboard to an output to the Arduino, and then because Makey alone just allows keyboard inputs to be made into different like conductive things. So if we were to hack it and make it so that the Arduino, so that we could also use the LED strip, because you can't control the LED strip with the Makey, but you can control it with the Arduino. So to move them both to Arduino and then just code it so that the outputs are now the water and the LED.
Okay, so where does the sound come from?
The sound comes from the computer, which is what the Makey and Arduino are connected to.
Please stop! And you put your dirty one all over me.
Yo, Trinity, too.
What is this? It's just connecting it to ground. It's taped up.
Over here. This is what you call music, kids. And finito.
Using this piano is not only for like
Alright, we get it. He said hi.
they're going to save somebody, and you're like, boy.
Yeah.